Hey guys, I'm Rachel and I'm a working mom to two little ones, and I know how it can feel like there are not enough hours in the day, yet the work week feels oh so long. I want to share with you a few tips and routines to help you stay motivated throughout the week, stay efficient, and just maximize every minute of the day. First tip is to just prep. Whether you're dropping kids off to school or they're preparing for learning at home that day, mornings can be chaotic. So prepping some things the night before can really help you out, whether that's setting up the kids' lunch and snacks, packing them the night before, laying out their clothes, laying out your own clothes. I found even setting up their breakfast, putting out their bowls, plates, cups, really helped me throughout the mornings, especially if somebody wakes up on the wrong side of the bed. Another routine you could try is a midweek reward. Setting up a little treat for yourself halfway through the week is a great way to kind of break up that long stretch, and that way we're not stuck in that working for the weekend mentality. You could try out that fancy new latte, have a luxurious bath at the end of the day, have that extra glass of wine, or just go out for a walk with your friends. Another really great tip that I've learned from friends and colleagues is to time batch your activities if you can. So for example, instead of checking an email every time it gets delivered to your inbox, maybe you just check your emails 3 or 4 times a day throughout the day and just kind of work through a chunk of those emails a couple times a day instead of getting to one email every 10 or 15 minutes. Time batching your activities like this can really allow you to focus on one activity for a longer period of time versus jumping around from task to task. If you can, try and bookend your day. Schedule the easiest and simplest tasks you can at the start of the day and at the end of the day. In the morning, it will help give you that sense of accomplishment, which you hopefully can snowball into the rest of your day. And at the end of the day, you'll end on a more positive note, which might help you disconnect more and be more present at the end of the workday and give you that work-life balance that we all need and crave. Mamas, you got this, and you're not alone. Let me know what are your tips and tricks to get through the work week, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!